To find a screen recorder on a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, usually you just have to go to the Quick Settings panel or the Control Center, and usually here in this expandable area you can find a screen recorder. Usually Samsung Galaxy smartphones do have a built-in screen recorder, so if you go over there then you should be able to find over here on this list. Now, it is also possible that the screen recorder is available, but it is not added to the list. So if that is the case, if you cannot find screen recorder anywhere over here in the quick settings panel, then here in the upper right corner, we can use this pen and choose add a control. And then in here, you can search for the capture section where we can find the screen recorder. So you should be able to, for example, press and hold your finger on that button and then drag and drop it anywhere you want it to be. And you should be able to add it either here to this section, the main panel of quick settings, or of course to this expandable area. And there we go. And in case there is actually no screen recorder whatsoever on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then you just have to download a screen recording app from the Play Store. You can just go to the Play Store, and then here you can type screen recorder. And I'm pretty sure you can find a bunch of different screen recording apps. As you can see, there's lots of them. Now, I cannot really recommend any of them. I mean, I never use them, so it's hard for me to tell exactly which one you might want to try out. But what you can do is you can just get one of them, see if you like them. If not, uninstall and get a different one and just see which one you just like the most. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.